Tired of manually transferring leads from ClickFunnels to Follow-Up Boss? In the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you how to connect ClickFunnels to Follow-Up Boss using webhooks, so you can kiss those tedious tasks goodbye. First, log into your ClickFunnels account and navigate to the funnel where you want to capture leads. Select the specific funnel step containing your opt-in form, usually an opt-in or order form page. In the funnel step editor, click on the Settings tab in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find the Webhooks section and click on Manage Webhooks. Now, head over to your Follow-Up Boss account, click on Admin in the top right corner, then select API from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to find the Webhook URL field. This is the URL you'll need to copy. Select and copy the entire URL provided. Go back to ClickFunnels and click on Add New Webhook. In the URL field, paste the Webhook URL you copied from Follow-Up Boss. Next, select the trigger event. Choose Contact Form Submission or Successful Payment, depending on when you want the webhook to fire. Keep API version set to latest for adapter. You can typically leave it as JSON. Click on Create Webhook. Your webhook is now set up. Now, it's time to test. Submit a test entry through your ClickFunnels form. Check your Follow-Up Boss inbox. You should see the test lead appear almost instantly. Congratulations! You've successfully connected ClickFunnels to Follow-Up Boss using webhooks. Enjoy automated lead capture and improved follow-up. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more marketing automation tips.